I have for you a short video on adding or editing alt text for images in PowerPoint. I've set up a sample PowerPoint, just the title and one slide. So if we, here's our title, this is where we add images. We can add a stock image, or we could add pictures from our computer or from somewhere else. But it's a matter of uploading them to where we want. So we're going to upload one. It's a picture of a honeybee on a dandelion. And if it's a simple picture, PowerPoint will generate alt text all by itself. As we can see here, what it's generated, a bee on a yellow flower. And if that's adequate for our needs, whatever the presentation happens to be, we can leave it like that. And that is what someone using a screen reader will hear when they come across that image. If, however, we want to do something a little bit different with it, up here in the control panel on alt text, also accessibility, if we click on this, we will have the alt text pane displayed for us, so we can see what we have here. So it's explaining what alt text is. We know that. We've had that in class already. If this image were purely decorative and didn't add anything to the content in a meaningful way, and I wanted the screen reader just to skip over it, I could, where it says mark as decorative, if I were to check this box, what will happen is people using the screen reader will just hear that this image is decorative, and that's all, and then they'll just move on from that. But that's not the case. Let's say this is a electron pollination or on honeybees or something like that, and I want to be a little bit more descriptive, so I can alter what we have here, and I can say what she's doing. Let's say it's a honeybee gathering nectar. A honeybee gathering nectar and pollen from a dandelion blossom. Now, I can make it more detailed with the species of flower, the species of insect. I could point out where the pollen is adhered to different parts of her body, including the baskets here. I'm not going to. But instead, I just wanted to offer this as a simple example of how to do this. This would work the same for a stock image, although with stock images, there tends to be a richer, or a slightly more detailed alt text that's generated. If it's something unusual, they may PowerPoint may not be able to generate anything for it at all. And if that's the case, you will get a message saying the program was unable to generate alt text for this item, in which case then you would need to just type in whatever it is you wanted. Thank you for listening. I hope this has been helpful.